Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. This week I'm doing mostly casual, just comfortable pieces. I'm going to start off with these free assembly joggers. They have that elastic waistband, a drawstring, side pocket. They are straight through the leg with that same detailing, that same kind of relaxed fit through the back. The inside has that super soft fleece. They come in the gray navy. I know they have some other colors online. They also have the matching sweatshirt, but I'm just going to go with the joggers. They're $24. Over in the men's section, so these are from George. They have that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, the ribbed wrist, more of a relaxed fit because it is a men's shirt. They go down to extra small, so just size down one if you want it a little more fitted. Comes in this burgundy, there's the black, the green. I know they also have navy on that side. They're $11.98. They also have this option, but I know you guys wanted to see more colors, so I'm gonna go with the burgundy. Here with this charcoal kind of hat from Time and True. So they all have this acid wash. It has that buckle detail on the back. They are $5.97. It also comes in green. There's red. Khaki. They also have solid options and also some prints. Big, I'm going to go with this little mini backpack from MADDEN NYC. So this one has the top handle. Also has the double straps, but you can adjust it. Sequins all on the front are rhinestones, and then it also comes in black. $22. Jewelry, I'm going with these studs from Time and True. They're $3.88. It's a love necklace also from Time and True, and it's also $3.88. And then for sneakers, I'm going with these platforms from No Boundaries. They have that rounded toe, the perforated detail, a little bit of a platform. They're going to be $17.98. That's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with these crew neck sweaters from No Boundaries. So these have that ribbed neckline, drop sleeve, the stretchy kind of net detailed drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Also has that ribbing at the bottom. That same fit through the back. These look like they are true to size. This is the medium. Comes in this blue. There's also pink. There's solid black and the green, and they're $16.98. And I pair it with the mid-rise straight jeans from Time and True. I'm wearing them today in the skinny option in this color, but they're so comfortable. They're $17.98, true to size. I have this style in that darker color. Also come in the solid black, which I could have also did the black, but I'm gonna do the blue. I think I'm gonna switch it to the black. I'm going to go with the Believe by Brilliance tennis necklace. This one's $24.98. Hoops from Time and True. These are $3.88. Says they're hypoallergenic. They're nice and lightweight. I'm going to go with this one from No Boundaries. So they did restock this one online. It's a really good look for less. Has that top zipper, adjustable strap. There comes with the coin purse and the card holder. They're $18.94. Shoes, I'm going to go with these from MADDEN NYC. So they have that rounded toe, the chunky heel, a zipper on the inside. These are very comfortable. They're going to be $. It's a finished look. Look, I'm going to go with this button-down rib top from Time and True. So this one has the tortoise buttons, the two flat pockets, button detail on the wrist, hood in the back, comes in the navy. There's also the beige. There's rust and green. They're going to be $19.98. I go with the Time and True straight leg jeans in this mid-tone wash. These are $17.98. I'm going to layer it with the No Boundaries long sleeve tee. So these have that scoop neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, really good length in the body. They're $5, lots of colors. There's white, purple, brown, gray, pink, green, burgundy, navy, red, and black, and they're only $5. Jewelry, I'm going to go with this multi-strand necklace, 15 inches with extender at $3.88. And these smaller gold hoops from Time and True, they're also $3.88. For a belt, I'm going to go with this one from Time and True. These are genuine leather. It comes in the brown, also in the black, and they're $8. Bag, I'm going to go with this one from No Boundaries just for a fun pop of color. This one has the adjustable straps, that top handle, also the crossbody strap. They're $18.94. It also comes in the pink. Wanted to pair it with the MADDEN NYC loafers, but they don't have them at this location, so I'm going to go with these from Time and Tru. These have that almond toe. They're a little flat. They're $19.98. I know they also have them on brown, but those are online only. You guys comment about the sweater that I wore in my last haul, and it was this kind of sweater combo from Sofia Vergara, but it was last year's style. So now this year they have that ribbed neckline, the dolman sleeve. That's what the wrist looks like. It is 2 pieces, and then there's a tank. The same kind of fit through the back. It comes in the brown, also in black, and the 2 pieces are $34. This is what the black looks like. Here with the Time and Tru faux leather wide leg pants. So these have that little pleated detailing, side pocket, nice and wide through the leg, and then pockets on the back. It comes in the brown, also in the black. These are $24.98. For a bag, I'm gonna go with this one from Time and Tru. It's just a little quilted crossbody. Comes in the burgundy, also in the camel and the black, and these are $17.98. For jewelry, I'm going to go with this multicolored kind of crystal drop earring from Time and Tru. These are $6.92. I'm going to go with these boots from Sam & Lovey. So these have that rounded toe. This rounded heel, this square toe zipper on the inside. They're $35. And that's the finished look. I think this would be really cute if you had like a beige colored jacket or even a burgundy. Next look, I'm going with the Time and Tru faux leather leggings. You guys know I love these. I have them in both the black and the brown. They're very true to size. They're $15 and super comfortable to the Spanx. I pair it with, you guys want color, so I'm going to go with the green. I initially wanted the gold, but we'll do the green for this one. These are from Time and Tru. They're like a soft velvet material. It has the kangaroo pockets, hood in the back. Also comes in gold and black, and they have the matching pants. They don't have them at this store, or else I would have did a little like set. We're going to pair it with the No Boundaries Moto jacket. So this one has the smaller collar, the side zip, little zippered pockets, also that zipper detail. It's completely aligned. These are only $25. Pair it with this little crossbody bag. So this one has the top handle, chain strap, the little grommet. This reminds me a lot of a Louis Vuitton that I have. So these are $18.94. It also comes in pink. I mean, not the actual materials used, but it's the same kind of like cut and with the little handle. I'm gonna go with the plain silver hoops from, actually missing some, so we'll go with just the bigger ones. These are $3.88. For boots, I'm gonna go with these from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded toe, the chunkier bottom. It comes in the black, also the beige. These are $29.98. It's the finished look. It has been super casual, so I'm gonna do a dressy look. I'm gonna go with this rib skirt from Time and Tru. So these have the elastic waistband, faux buttons, the little slit on the side. It comes in a few other colors. I think they're sold out in store. But online, they just added this option where you can get them separately. They used to have them just paired with the matching top. They're $15 each. Pair it with the classic white button down. So this one has the smaller color, the button detail on the wrist, seam detailing in the back. These are $14.98. It also comes in black. There's the black. And then I think they have a fuchsia online. And I'm going with the free assembly crew neck sweaters. So it's kind of funny that in the outdated styles, I'm going with 2 of the pieces. But this one is from Free Assembly. It has that ribbed neckline, the ribbed wrist ribbing at the bottom. These are I think they're $22. It comes in the gold, there's pink, the ivory, and it also comes in black. With this bag from Time and Tru, so it has that top handle, the adjustable strap. I love the buckle on it. Also has that side pocket. Comes in the green. There's black. the camel color, and they're $24.98. Jewelry, I'm going to go with this set from Believe by Brilliance. You guys know I love this. I'm actually wearing the earrings today for this, and you get the necklace for $15. I'm going to go with these loafers from Madden NYC. So they have that almond toe, the chunky gold kind of detail. Comes in the brown. These also come in an ivory. They're only at $24. The finished look. For the next look, I'm going to go with this beige ribbed hatchy top from Time & Tro. So they don't have my size, but it has that scoop neckline, drop sleeve. It's a relaxed fit. These are going to be $15.98. Pairing it with the hatchy pull-on pants from Time & Tro. These have the elastic waistband, nice and flowy. They are a shorter length. They are $12.98. It also comes in black, blue, and gray. I'm going to go with this corduroy. It's a waist bag from No Boundaries. It has that top zipper, also that front compartment, little grommet detail on the strap, and it is adjustable. These are $18.94. So it says multi-use. Comes in the green corduroy, also the pink. I've also seen it in like a denim, a few others. I have the celebrity pink. There's an oversized denim jacket. It has that drop sleeve, button detail on the wrist, snap buttons all the way down the 2 snap pockets. Comes in the denim, quilted, also that ivory color. They're $27.50. Pairing it with these sneakers from Time & Tro. These have that rounded toe lace up. They do have that platform with the gold. They have other color options online. These are $19.98. The finished look. Look, I'm going to go with this free assembly mock neck sweaters. This one has that ribbing around the neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbing at the bottom. Really nice length. It comes in the navy and white. I picked it up in that gold color, and they are going to be $24. Pair it with the Lee. This is a mid-rise straight. I really like the color of this denim. These are going to be $24.98. They have just a little light whiskering. Pair it with the camel trench coat from Time & Tro. This one has that oversized collar, lapel, 3 buttons, side pocket, relaxed through the wrist, and really good seam detailing in the back. They're $29.98. It comes in the camel, also in the black. I'm going to go with the classic pearl set from Believe by Brilliance. You get the necklace, the pendant, and the earrings for $19.94. For a bag, I'm going to just go with the classic pearl spotty from Time & Tro. This one has the adjustable strap, that embroidered detailing. It also comes in brown, blue, and pink. They're $18.94. For shoes, I think you could go with these from Time & Tro, the little cap toe. I'm going to go with these loafers from Time & Tro. They're not too chunky on the bottom. These are going to be $22.98. It's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with this little cami from No Boundaries. This one has the thin strap. These are faux buttons, flowy through the front and back. Comes in this burgundy paisley, the white floral. There's that black and white. And then the southwestern print, and go with the burgundy. The Levi's, these are a straight jean, completely solid, nice and stretchy. And they are going to be $26.98. These are the 8. They look like they run big in like the thigh and the top portion. So it looks like they're fitted at the top, and they're just going to be flowy through the thigh. With the Time & Tro cardigan, these are open front, nice, lightweight, and stretchy. They have the 2 pockets, ribbed wrist. They're $14.98. It also comes in that rust green, gray, navy, gold, and this is the color I have, the beige. Go with the heart set from Believe by Brilliance, $15.94. I guess I was in a burgundy mood today. Bag, I'm going to go with this top handle option from Time & Tro. These are a little smaller than the bag I used before. Also comes in pink, brown, black, and blue. These are $19.98. And I'm going to go with the ivory boots again from Sam & Libby. These are $35. It's the finished look. I'm going to go with one of these Sherpas. I'm really torn which color to get. Either this pen or the pink plaid. think they're sold out in the pink plaid. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. So these are only $10. Has that half zip, banded wrist, a little toggle at the bottom. Also comes in purple. There's ivory. I love that white and pink plaid. The black and white. There's solid black, camel. They're all $10. They're with the waffle crew necks from No Boundaries. So these are fitted through the wrist, also in the body. Lots of good colors. White, pink, black, green, and lavender. They're $7.98. Favorite flare jeans. So these are whiskered. They're flared. $21 in store. I think online they are on sale for like $15. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these gold. They're really lightweight with that detail. They're $3.88. I think they also have those in the silver. I'm gonna pair it with this headband from No Boundaries or Time and True. These are braided. It's like a satin material. They're $5.97. Comes in the white, pink. There's green, a darker pink, brown, and black. For a bag, I'm gonna go with this quilted option from Time and True. These are $18.94. It comes in the camel, also in the black. I'm gonna go with the salmon Libby Western boot. So these have that pointed toe, the chunky heel, zipper on the inside. These are gonna be $28. And that's the finished look. I'm gonna go with the Time and True faux leather leggings again. These are $15 in the black, also come in the brown. Do a bonus Halloween look. So these are a sneak peek item, Nightmare Before Christmas embroidered plush hoodie. Has that ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. They're $18.94. I'm also pairing it with the Time and True black corduroy vest. So these are mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. Sleeveless, has the side pockets. This one also comes in beige, and these are $24.98. So we're gonna go with this pink waist bag from MADDEN NYC. So this one has all of the rhinestone detailing. It also comes in the blue. There's a few other colors. This one is $20. This cute Nightmare Before Christmas jewelry set. It's $7 for the earrings and necklace. For shoes, I'm going to pair it with these combat boots from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, zipper on the inside. They're lace up. These are $27.98. It's the finished look, but I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.